Hi there. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. So whenever you are ready, first thing, whenever you are ready, at that time you send me a message, so I can send you the link and you can join right away.
Okay.
Because
Okay.
I'll show you what I do. Okay, what's my
Yes.
work? What my work is? I manage both channels. So I manage all the script writers, video editors, researchers, thumbnail editors. You know, everyone I manage. So there are like 18 people which I have to manage. So I have to get on a call with many people. So you can't. I can wait for you. You know, I can wait for you. Right? You understand
Yeah.
what I'm saying? Yeah. So when you are actually ready, at that time you have to send. I can wait. You said okay, wait. I can wait because I have to get on a call fast because we have to publish the video at the end. So that's why. Okay. Let it be. I'll. So you want to make thumbnails, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
You can.
Yeah.
I can make eye-catching and clickable YouTube thumbnail create
Okay.
and
Okay.
any other social media post design, banner design, business card.
Yes. Yeah. No,
I'm
we don't need.
professional
We just
graphic
need
designer.
football. Have you checked our channel, Goal 90?
JJ. I
Yeah.
will check your channel Gold 90.
Yeah.
Show your more video and thumbnail. That's more idea. I will try world class service and better your channel success life.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. And what is your timing? Like, what time are you free and stuff like that?
I am
Do you have
full-time
college,
freelancer.
school, something,
I am
work?
full-time freelancer, not not part-time.
Okay.
Uh, your your according your requirement, I will manage it.
Okay. So you are free.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I wanted to talk to you on the call. And what else? What else? Uh, you sent me the thing, no? Yeah, you sent me the portfolio. Yeah, it looked good. And yes, I think that is it then. I'll talk to the owner and I'll let you know. Okay.
Yes.
Because then we have to check if you can make, like, we have to test you. We have to give you a test
Yes.
thumbnail.
Yes.
And
Yes.
yeah, then I'll let you know about because we have one thumbnail guy. We need one more. That's why we are hiring, hiring someone. We want to hire someone. So
Yes. Yes.
yeah, so that guy will test the thumbnail guy. He will test. I'm just the manager. I just tell people what to do, what not to do. I'm not an expert.
Yes.
So the first thumbnail guy, he will let you know what to make and stuff like that. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
You can
Oh,
see your order.
yeah.
I will first thumbnail totally free.
Okay.
Then choose your phone.
Okay. Yeah. And what is your name?
My name is Mominur Rahman. You
Okay.
can show my portfolio behind. Uh, I am always working Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer.com.
Okay.
Uh, you can search my name.
Okay. Yes, I'll call you Momin. Okay, Momin.
JJ.
It's good.
Good.
Yeah. Okay, bro. I'll talk to you later. I'll let you know. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Bye bye.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye.